Hey kids! Welcome to our animal adventure! Let's meet some amazing animals and learn the sounds they make. Let's go! Wow, look over there! It's a big elephant! The elephant says, "Toot, toot." Can you trumpet like an elephant? Here comes the lion! He looks so strong! The lion says, "Roar!" Let's all roar together! Roar! Look at that monkey! He's swinging in the trees. The monkey says, "Ooh, ooh, ah, ah." Can you sound like a monkey? Now we see a tall, tall giraffe. Giraffes are quiet and gentle. Let's stretch our necks, just like them. Wow! A colorful parrot is here. Can you hear him talk? He says, "Hello, hello." Say it with me. Hello, hello. Great job, little explorers. You met 5 amazing animals today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again on Happy Learn Kids TV.